Hello, calculus students and seekers of truth. Let us continue our study of some vocabulary terms here before we get to the calculus of it. So we've heard of these terms before. Average velocity. This is the change in position divided by the change in time. Change in position divided by the change in time. And another way that we could describe this is the displacement divided by the change in time. Okay. So that's the average velocity. The velocity, when we use this phrase here, it really means the instantaneous velocity. So at some particular moment. So that's the derivative there. And then finally, the speed is the magnitude of the velocity. Right? Remember that velocity has a magnitude and a direction. The speed is just the magnitude of the velocity. And the magnitude of any vector is always positive. Okay, so the speed of a particle, of an object, is always positive. Let's continue here, because we've also heard these terms before, like average acceleration. This is the change in velocity divided by the change in time. The change in velocity divided by the change in time. And when you hear the word just acceleration by itself, it usually means the instantaneous acceleration. So that's the instantaneous change in velocity. All right. So hopefully these vocabulary terms are familiar. Maybe it's something that you've learned in physics already. And as we go forward, we are going to clarify and see examples of how these entities are related to each other.